Let's get it. Let's get. Let's get it. Let's get. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's your boy Currse. You already know. And I'm back with another reaction. What came across my desk today was a bunch of crash outs. And the first crash out I have right now is a lady that was in Planet Fitness. She was told to calm her voice down, or to quiet her voice down, as I must say. And she wilded out. She more than just quieted her voice down. She went on a rampage, man. Let's check this out.
You're not gonna push me. You're not gonna push me. Yeah, you can push me. You're not gonna 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 push me like that. You're not pushing me. You're not gonna push me. You're gonna push me. You're not gonna put your hands on me.
Anybody with a haircut like that is insane. Anybody with a haircut like that is insane. No, she really crazy. Like, she really crazy. Where is she going? She hopped the counter on homeboy. Hit him with the yam. Hit him with the yam. Uppercut with the yam. I ain't gonna lie to her. She got some. She got some hands. She got some hands. I mean, you could have disarmed her.
Call 911. Call 911.
So y'all can hear her say, don't y'all ever hit a woman. From what's being told, he never actually hit her. He never actually hit this woman. He went over and told her, hey, you need to calm it down. And then she assaulted him, and then he must have pushed her off her, whatever the case may be. And she went insane. She was arrested and all this other foolishness, from what I read. But yeah, we got another crash out right here, man. Dude went to go pick his car up. Well, I'm sorry. Dude lost his car in a repo. And not only did he lose his car, he had $2,000 or $3,000 in the car. And they took the car. Took the car and the money. And they tried to dead this man on this money. He wasn't having it.
Get a new vehicle, yeah.
What's up? Y'all took the van back?
Yeah, so the van is no longer yours, right?
It's over with. So ain't nothing I can do about it.
Besides, get a new vehicle, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
And who took it? Light skinned buddy?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna get over with him.
Yeah.
Tell him I'll see him on the humbug.
Yeah.
On Fonum Grave. Watch this.
On Fonum Grave.
Hold on. So my three racks that my shit just gone.
It's over with.
Y'all gonna have to do something. Y'all gonna have to do something.
Yeah, I'm with it. Tear that shit up. Hey. Tear it up. Tear it up. I don't care, man. Yo, tear that shit. Hey, let me tell y'all something, yo. 3 bands, and on top of that, you losing your car. So you can't even go try to get you another little cash car or something like that. You got that. I mean, I'm sure people gonna say pay your bills. I'm sure there's a lot of people in the comments that like, just pay your bill. Okay, cool. He ain't got the car no more. But at least don't take the money. Don't take what's in the car. I don't think that's a thing. I don't think what's in the car belongs to them. I think you should be able to still be able to go get what belongs to you outside of the car. I don't know how it works. Shit. I pray I never had to go through that. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what entails it, but you can't keep that man $3,000 and expect him not to. Yo, you lucky he ain't do more than that. I'd have been throwing shit through that window, all types of stuff. He did better than me. He did great though, but he did better than me, and in the sense of less damage, because it would have kept going. I would have. It'd have been $30,000 worth of damage in there. Messing with me, for sure. You ain't dubbing me on my money, and this was in Philly somewhere. He told me, yo, you what? You drawn? I'm sorry, in Philly, in Chicago. Say on the dead homie. Hey, wait, when they say on the dead homies or on Fonum Grave and all that foolishness, yeah, he ain't playing. That's the new on my mama. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out to everybody, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. If y'all want more of these videos, make sure y'all hit me up, man. Send me some videos, man. I'm gonna try to put an email address or something like that in the bottom of these videos. I keep forgetting to do that, but I'm gonna get on it. Hit the tick and the blick. Everything been going right here the whole time. My finger. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, if you